Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to run any Android app on your PC without any emulator. Some provide full guide, so let's get started. So simply press on search set to Microsoft Store. Just open this and showing it to more apps. Showing it to category, just select apps. Then you get all Android apps from here. Okay, just need to download, like download the Facebook. Select, press on get. Okay, when it's complete to download, then automatically install these apps. But if you don't get to Microsoft Store on your PC, so you just simply open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser, and search set to Microsoft Store. Open this and follow the top bar showing it to apps. Select and select any apps. Search here to okay, just select and press on to download. So that's it.